So yesterday I explained like how to install LoadRunner. We did that, right? We completed that, and we saw. I also explained like once we install LoadRunner, we'll get these three components, isn't it? You'll get these three components: virtual user generator, controller, and analysis. Right? Now start that virtual user generator. So this is the first component that we are going to use for generating the script. Right? So each component has a different purpose. So virtual user generator is used to record and debug the scripts, to create the scripts and to debug the scripts. And controller component is used to execute the tests, right? Execute the performance tests. Clear, guys? That is controller component. And to analyze the test results, we use this analysis component, which I already explained in the previous one of the previous sessions. Now, please start VuGen on your machine. So we will record our first script today with LoadRunner. Okay, LoadRunner VuGen.
Done, sir.
And the moment you double click, right, you will get a small window that is called as splash screen. This one is called as splash screen. Here it will show you the version. You should be seeing version 2022 here, right? Because I shared you the latest version. And there won't be much significant differences in the from the UI perspective, right? So are you seeing version 2022, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This screen is called as splash screen.
Sir, you mean flash? FLASH?
SPLASH.
Oh, PLASH. Oh.
SPLASH. Splash.
Yes, sir, got it. Splash, got it.
That's fine. You need not remember it or you need not know it, but yeah, yes. So once you launch VuGen, right? So it will show you. Observe here. This is called menu bar, right? So whenever I say menu bar, like you have to refer to this one, right? This is called as menu bar. Okay. And from menu bars, so you have file, edit, view, and all those options, right? So go to the file in the menu bar and select new script and solution, right? And observe here, one more thing that you need to know is any tool, right? So it will show you all the recent scripts that are open. See here, these are the recent scripts that are opened on my machine. Clear, guys? And it is showing with date and time, date also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
When did I open each of those scripts? It is showing that as well, right? That information as well. And it will show you what is, what is new. What is new means here it is showing that a new update is available, LoadRunner Professional 2022. Because I am using 2021, right? So it is showing here that a new update is available. Clear, guys? And if most of you are using 2022 version, right? That will show what is new in 2022 release, isn't it? Those who are already having 2022, right? You will see this one. Yes or no? You will see this one. What is new in 2022 release?
Yes,
and
sir.
all this. You may be seeing this
Correct.
one video and all this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll also upgrade this. Okay. So once we find that, the version is stable, I will upgrade it. Okay. Right. Now, so how to record a script with this VuGen, right? So before that, let me show you the script that we are going to record. So the first script that we are going to record is this user registration script with WebTools application. I also shared this WebTools sample application with you.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to create a script for this user registration today. Okay. WebTools user registration. So before recording the script, right? So navigate through the application manually and understand the flow. So, okay, I started the WebTools server. I shared this software with everyone. So please, keep it ready. Those who did not install yet, please keep that ready by tomorrow. Okay, guys. Now, so click on this. I shared the scripting. I will share the scripting scenario sheet also with you. If I did not share with someone, copy the URL from here, or else you can click it from here. Okay. If you click it, right, it will open a new tab, and you will get the page, the web tools homepage like this. Clear, guys? So this is a sample application for this is a travel application, sample travel application, or a demo application for booking flight tickets. Clear, guys? Able to follow?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this is a sample application, demo application for booking flight tickets. Okay. It will not actually book a ticket, but it will simulate those travel application. It's a kind of Redbus or Make My Trip kind of applications. Now, first, if you want to use this application, right, we need to register ourselves, right? We need to create an account for ourselves. Yes or no? Right? So to create an account, it has one link here. Observe here. Read this message, read this page. Welcome to the WebTours site. To make reservations, please enter your account information to the left. Please enter your account information to the left. Means you have to, if you already registered with this application, you need to enter your credentials here, username and password here, and login. Right? If you haven't registered yet, sign up now and get access to all our resources. Means if you haven't registered yourself, if you don't have an account, click on this sign up now. That's what it means. Right? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's click on the sign up now link, and it will get a registration page like this, user registration page like this. Now let us register. Let's register ourselves. Okay. So when you are registering, right, give your name as, like for example, if you are Aruna, you are registering. So give username as Aruna1 and so on. Okay. So I'll use this one, Dharani1. Okay. And username I'm giving as Dharani1. Password1. Password as password1. Again, password1. Right. And I'll use the same username as first name and last name. Address one. Let's say Hyderabad. Right. When you are registering, right, when you are creating users, right, give some number also. Give some name and number. Clear, guys? And remember, this is a local application, not an online application. Right? Now, Dharani, once you set up this sample application, can you use the same username on your machine? ఇదే శాంపుల్ అప్లికేషన్ నీ మెషిన్ మీద ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఈ యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వగలవా నువ్వు నీ మెషిన్ మీద?
ఇవ్వలేం సార్.
అదర్స్, హౌ అబౌట్ అదర్స్?
No, sir.
Sir,
Already it is restricted.
ఇవ్వగలం సార్, ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఇంకా కంటిన్యూ
ఇవ్వచ్చు సార్.
Yes, we can use the Dharani, you can use the same username on your machine because this is a local application. WebTours application, this is running on my laptop. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, if it is an online application, you cannot use the same user ID. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear all? Lekapothe still any confusion?
No, sir. Confusion ఏం లేదు.
All right. Okay. Right. So now click on continue. So you enter your registration details and click on continue. Okay. Now it displays a confirmation message saying that thank you for registering and welcome to the WebTours family. Right. And you observe here, your name is highlighted in bold. Right. Thank you for registering. So that means registration is done. Now we can see this user ID if we go to the WebTours folder, right? See, this is the shortcut for that WebTours server. Now let me go to that WebTours folder by right clicking and use this open file location. Mere desktop mein shortcut pettunnara everyone. So right click on that and use open file location. It will take you to the WebTours server folder. Inside that you have folder called CGI bin. Dantlo users ane folder untadi. In this user folder, observe here, whatever users we registered, right, that name will be visible here. One file will be generated with that registration details. Understood or no?
Understood, sir.
Right. Observe the date and time here. See here, 22 April 8/8. Right. Just 1 minute back, this file was created. And if you want to see the password, right, you can open that file. You can open that file and you can see the password. This is the password that I gave, right? And always give password as password1, password2 ala ivanti. Suppose username Dharani2 అని ఇస్తున్నారు. You give username as You give password as password 2. Understood, guys?
Sir.
Right? And what are these guys? Event.
First name and last name.
Data that we provided there. So,
Right. First name and last name. These are nothing but first name and last name. Right? And address 1 and city. Right? Clear, guys? One file will be.
చేశాను సార్ బట్ నా నోట్ప్యాడ్ లో చూపించట్లేదు ఓన్లీ జోజో ఒకటే చూపిస్తుంది
Who is this?
శ్రవణ్ సార్
Share your screen, Shravan. You mean to say that registration chesavu, but you are not seeing that user ID. Avuna? You did not do user registration in that case. Show me that you user register chesavu Shravan and chesavu. Shravan 1 ani man cheppa. You are able to log in also, right? But you are not seeing the user ID on top. Shravan ఏం చేస్తున్నావు
సార్
ఫటాఫట స్విచ్ చేసేస్తున్నావు విండోస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నావు
లాగిన్ అవుతున్నాను ఇక్కడ చూపించట్లేదు సార్ నోట్ప్యాడ్
నో సో ఇక్కడ నువ్వు లాగిన్ అవుతున్నావు దట్ మీన్స్ యూజర్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఇస్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ సో మేబీ ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ యు ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ వెబ్ టూల్స్ నీకు మల్టిపుల్ లొకేషన్స్ లో ఉండి ఉంటది యు ఆర్ నాట్ చెకింగ్ అట్ ద రైట్ ప్లేస్ ఓకే wait can you give me yeah I got the control please wait let me close this and how are you starting web tools ekkadi nunchi start chestunnavu web tools start the web tools server once 7 okay this is the shortcut okay 1 second so let me take control see here so ఇక్కడ shortcut పెట్టావు నువ్వు understood ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు shortcut ఓకే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ pf okay cga pin users right see here understood అర్థమైందా ఇక్కడ నువ్వు డెస్క్టాప్ మీద పెట్టావు వెబ్ టూల్స్ అప్లికేషన్ అగైన్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ పిఎఫ్ ఏంటవా okay now once the user registration is successful right so you are see observe here so it is displaying a confirmation message and a registration successful and cheptundi right see here read this thank you for registering and welcome to the web tools family right so click below when you are ready to plan your dream trip means if you want to log into the application click below I am clicking on continue button now observe here application is displaying a welcome message right and it is saying welcome to the web tools reservation pages once you log in right so you can go to flights page so and from this page you can book the ticket and there is one more page called itinerary page wherein you can see the book tickets if you booked any ticket right we can see those tickets under this page and if you click on home button you will go to the home page welcome page right and sign off right and if you already reached and now you already registered right let me log in with that user Dharani 1 is the username password is password 1 okay now if you already booked any tickets right let me show you how to book the ticket I think I already gave a walkthrough of the application right
yes sir
I already explained this application I'm not going to explain this now let's see how to quickly record the script now okay the same script right so go to VuGen and go to file new script and solution right and by default your scripts will be saved in C documents folder C documents VuGen by default LoadRunner scripts will be saved in C drive documents VuGen. Clear, guys? C drive lo you have documents folder. You will have one folder called documents in C drive. Where is the documents, guys? Okay, I moved it on my machine, guys. Sorry. So I moved it to some E drive, I think. Yeah. On your machine, you should see that documents in C drive. Can you please check that, everyone? One of you, please share your screen. Right. Open your C drive. Open your C drive. No, C drive. This PC. Yes. Go to C drive. You are seeing documents folder or no? No. Okay. Go to VuGen. Yeah. Go to VuGen. It will be. I think it will be created now. Once we start recording. Yeah. File. New script and solution. Right. Please wait. Okay. See, the location is, the location is users Shravan documents. Okay. Observe here. That is the default location. See here. C users Shravan documents. VuGen scripts. Go to that folder now. Go to C drive users Shravan. C drive. Yes. Users Shravan. Yes. Right. Documents. Documents. We use. Okay. Wait. So now it is not showing because we haven't recorded any script. That's why it is not showing. Right. Now go to VuGen. Go to VuGen now. Minimize this one. Keep it as it is. Right. Go to VuGen file. Go to file, new script and solution. Yes. Now give some script name. First select the protocol. You first select the protocol, right? As a web HTTP HTML. Scroll to the right. Further right. Last one. Right. Select that web HTTP HTML. Perfect. Wait. Give some name to that. Change the script name. Web HTTP. Observe here. Web HTTP HTML1 and ochindi. When you select web protocol, the default by default it is showing the script name as web HTTP HTML1. No, don't give my first script. Please wait. So don't give my first script. So give the script name as WebTours, capital W, WebTours, TOURS _ user registration, user, capital U, again U, capital U. User low U, capital U. No, wait. Give me control, please, Shravan. Please give me control. You can practice it later, okay? You can do it anyways later. User registration, right? REC1 and even I'll tell you why. Okay, 22nd April. Okay, so user registration REC1 22nd April. REC1 means recording 1, and give the select this checkbox. Okay, hold on, please wait. So wait. So type here WebTours. Shravan, let me type it, okay? And select this checkbox. Everyone select this checkbox. Create folder for solution. Okay, create folder for solution. Now observe here. See, previously path is the location is the right. And if you create a folder, right? Observe here. See, if you uncheck this, right, it will be saved in directly in scripts. Observe here. Scripts lo direct ga save avutadi, right? But if you create a, but we will be giving we will use 2 or 3 applications for scripting, right? So I want to create a folder inside that. Now observe here. Scripts lo WebTours and a folder create avutadi. Inside that your solution will be saved. Solution means nothing but project. Ikkada solution name, you are seeing solution name, right? Solution name is nothing but project. That's it. Okay. And now click on create. Now it is loading solution, loading that project.
Sir, I have seen an action written.
Yes. So yeah, now you are seeing this one, right? VUser init action. I will explain this one by one. Okay. Now first let me show you how to record a script for today. Fine. You are eagerly waiting for that, right? Yes or no? Most of you have a doubt, right? So scripting ala untado ani.
Yeah, obviously, sir.
Right. Now, see, you have an empty script loaded now, right? This is an empty project that is loaded. Solution web tools means project web tools project annatlu, right? Read this as or understand this as web tools project. Clear, guys? This one, solution web tools, and understand that as web tools project. Shravan, what are you trying to do? I think no, unmute and try just not to. Okay, Shravan, please wait. Okay, now, so this is your script name, guys. Observe here. So this is your script name. Web tools user registration REC1 22nd April. That is your script name. And you see the symbol over there. Remember this. Okay. See
Yes,
this
sir.
symbol over there. Remember this. Okay. Right. Leka laga undi kada. Letter laga. Right.
Yes, sir,
That
yes,
is
sir.
your script. Right. Yes or no? Script adi. Script and denote cheyadaniki they gave like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, how to record a script now, right? So before recording, so to record the script, right, you have to use this record button. This is record button. In older versions, it used to be in red color. Now they change it to black color somehow, right? If you click on record button, right, you will get this window, start recording window, where it is showing some options. Observe here. It is showing record into action. I will explain this. What is this action? What is VUser init and what is VUser end? I'll explain those later. You have a drop down here. Observe here. Drop down lo 3 actions unnai, right? I will explain what are those later on, not required at this moment. And if you see recording mode and under recording mode, you have another drop down wherein you have multiple options. See, observe here. Browser based, if you want to record a browser based application, you will use this web browser. If you want to record a desktop application, you will use this Windows application, right? So based on what type of application you are recording, you will select the option here. Okay. And again, మీరు web browser select చేసుకున్న తర్వాత below in the next drop down, you are seeing different browsers here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Explorer, Windows, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, and Edge browser, and all this. By default, you have Chrome browser. Fine. Now you need to set some recording options before recording the script, right? You need to set the recording options. Now, what are those recording options, sir? So click on this link, recording options link. You will get another window. Shravan, please upgrade the RAM as soon as possible. Okay, right? So go to the recording options. And from in here, wait, Shravan, please wait, right? So script type low, by default, first one is selected, right? Select the script type as second one. I'll explain that why. I'll explain that later, okay? Why should we select the script type as second one? I'll explain that. Whatever these recording options I am explaining today, those are in the PPT. Okay, you need not worry, just listen on the session. You need not note it down. All these options are there in the PPT. Okay, so please focus on the session and observe here. If you go to the script, right, observe by default the scripting language is C language, and you have another option JavaScript, right? So by default, LoadRunner uses C language as the scripting language. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. And next, protocols. Nothing. So in protocols, you see web HTTP HTML. What is meant by web HTTP HTML? HTTP HTML. This is the application protocol, right? Protocol means communication language between browser and server. Browser and server communicate cheskodaniki they will use HTTP as a protocol, right? So that's why we selected web HTTP HTML protocol here, right? By default, when we are creating the script, right, we selected web HTTP HTML. That's why you are seeing this here. Understood? Now go to code generation and unselect this async scan. Okay, everyone do that. Those who have LoadRunner installed on your machine, please do this along with me. కోడ్ జనరేషన్ లో async scan uncheck చేయండి, right? And the next thing you have to select is go to HTTP properties advanced and uncheck this generate web add cookie and generate steps for WebSocket traffic. ఈ two check boxes uncheck చేయండి. I will explain each of these options later on. Okay, why are we unselecting that and why are we choosing a particular option? And below that there is headers button, right? Click on that headers button and select do not record headers. ఈ sample application కి headers అవసరం లేదు, but if you are recording some real-time application, right, you have to use this default option, record headers not in the list. That is a default option. However, for sample application, right, do not use this option, do not record headers. Then only you will have a clean script. Your script will be easy to understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, once you select all these recording options, click OK. Click the OK button, right? Can you click that OK button, Sravan? Perfect. Right. Now you are ready to do the script recording, guys. Okay. Now what you do is click on the start recording button. Click on that blue color start recording button. Right. Now what does it say? What does it say? The running instances of Google Chrome must be closed before recording. Click OK to close them now and begin recording. See, observe here. We opened one Chrome browser. Shravan opened one Chrome browser, isn't it? So it is saying that should be closed. That's it. That's what it is saying. The running instances of Google Chrome must be closed before recording. Click OK to close them now and begin recording. Clear? So if you click OK, right, the tool will close it automatically. Yes or no? Understood, guys? And it will open a new browser. Okay. Wait. Now this is a one-time task. You will get for the first time. You will get this Windows security alert. So click allow access and observe here now. See, observe here. A Chrome browser is opened by the tool automatically, by VuGen tool automatically. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you can see that browser is open, right? Because in the recording options we selected Google Chrome. That's why Chrome is open. Yes or no? And observe here, this is Chrome browser. This is incognito browser, incognito Chrome. Okay. See, observe here, Chrome incognito browser. This is. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. And a private browser, right? And uncheck this one. This, like block third-party cookies should be unchecked. Now what you do is enter that URL here. What is the URL of that WebTools application?
Localhost.
This is the URL, right? And before that, wait. Let me put a comment here, right? Click on this comment, and what is the first step? Navigate to WebTools homepage or index page, right? Keep a comment and then enter the URL. Right. And when you are doing that, right, when we are accessing the application, observe here, this should be increasing. Recording events should be increasing. And this is a timer, right side of a number, you see that, right? That is just a timer, this one. This is a timer. Okay. And recording events, this number should be increasing. That means it is low. Your VuGen is recording the script. Event count, if the event count is not increasing, that means VuGen is not recording anything. That's what it implies. ఈ కౌంట్ పెరుగుతూ ఉందంటే స్క్రిప్ట్ రికార్డ్ అవుతున్నట్లు. ఈ కౌంట్ పెరగట్లేదు అంటే the script is not getting recorded. That's what it means. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? And what is the next step now? User registration script test. Now we are doing user registration. And what is the next step now?
Click on sign up.
Why this is jumping? Click sign up now. Right? That is the next step. So put a comment, right? And then perform the step on the application. Do the transaction on the application. Okay. I clicked on sign up now. I already clicked it. No, I didn't click. So click on that sign up now. 7. Right. Okay. Now what is the next step now?
Enter the user details.
We should submit the profile, customer profile details, right? So enter or submit. So you have to give some comment that you can understand. So miru iche comment and I'll refer to that scripting scenario sheet. Okay. Refer to the scripting scenario sheet, copy the comments from there. And you can use that over there. Right? Right. Now submit user details. That's what we are going to do next, right?
Yes,
Submit
sir.
user details. Now Shravan already gave one username with as Shravan. Okay, so I'll give as Shravan1. Okay, and I'll give password as password1. Please follow this naming convention, guys. Okay, some people, why I'm saying this is some people will give username password okte istar. Please don't do that. Okay, so when you are doing script enhancement, you will face some problem with that. Understood? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Username password same iవ్వకండి. Right? And now I'm clicking on continue. Click on that continue button. Somehow it is not taking my click 7. Maybe internet issue. So yeah, click on continue button. Right. Now user registration is successful and it shows a confirmation message saying that thank you for registering. Welcome to the WebTools family. Right. What is the next step now, guys?
Sign up.
The next step now.
Click on continue button.
Click continue to login. Right. And let me try to click this. Now user should be able to log into the application and we should see a welcome message, isn't it? So it's very slow. See, Shravan, it's very slow. Go to, I am sure, opening task manager. Go to performance tab. What is the issue here? CPU spike out on the memory is fine, only 3 GB. Okay, fine. Maybe because of i3 processor, it's very slow. Okay, yeah. Now you can see that user logged into the application. Registration is successful and user logged into the application. Right? This confirms that user registration is successful. Now what next is? So we log out of the application. Okay. Click on log out and comment petty. Now sign off from the application. Right? Now this is done. Now I'm stopping the recording. To stop recording, use this square shape button. Now see here, observe here. Your LoadRunner VuGen is generating the script, right? And it is doing some post generation operations. Okay. Now your script is ready, guys. Okay. Go to action, right? Go to action and your script is ready. Okay. Script recording is done. That's it. Okay. Script is not completely ready. Okay. So see here, your script is it captured some some events over here, right? 1 second. Login.pl sign up now. Yes. Right. Now see your script is ready now. Okay. Now, but observe here, it is showing some some unwanted URLs. See here, accounts.google.com, clientservices.googleapis.com, and all this, right? But where did we start our script recording, guys? Start this one, right? Navigate to WebTools homepage. This is the first comment. Yes or no? We started with this URL. Yes or no? Guys, able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Right? We actually started with this URL, isn't it? Now, so see here. So this is our script actually. This is related to our application, isn't it?
Yes.
Right? But there are some browser related requests that got recorded. Unwanted URLs, some unwanted URLs got recorded, right? And nothing to worry. This is the beauty of LoadRunner. If you go to the recording report, right, you can filter out those unwanted URLs with one click, right? all these unwanted URLs can be filtered out in just one click, right? Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so go to the recording report and see, observe here. See, localhost means this is related to our application, right? Web tools is running on localhost. Localhost means nothing but our local machine, your laptop in this case, right? And there are few more domains here. Apart from localhost, there are few more domains. Google APIs, google.com. Just simply uncheck this. మీరు uncheck చేయగానే ఈ window వచ్చింది. Observe చేస్తారా? You got this window, regenerate, cancel అని, right? Uncheck the unwanted URLs and click on this regenerate. Okay, click on that regenerate and it is asking for confirmation. Are you sure you want to regenerate the script? Say yes. Now it is regenerating the script, right? Unwanted URLs ni filter out chesi script create chesti. Now you have a clean and neat script. See here, right? See, this is the first URL that we started. Yes or no? We started with index page, isn't it? Right? And then we clicked on sign up now. See, you see the comments, right? What are these guys? This green color thing.
Comments.
We typed it in the comments, right?
Yes.
Right? Those comments will be in green color, always in green color by default. Okay, you can change the color, of course, but by default you will have all the comments in green color, and you see your script is ready now. Okay, and observe here. And observe here. So what are these guys? Shravan 1, password 1. What are these?
All the details filled in that submit form, sir.
All the user registration details are recorded, isn't it?
Correct.
Right? And what type of request is this? We discussed different types of request, HTTP request.
Sorry, it's post.
Right. So here you can see, right? We already discussed this in the fundamental sessions.
So,
right? That this is a whenever we log into an application or whenever we submit a HTML form, that goes as a post request, right? You can see that here, method is equal to post, right? And for get request, you will not see that. And what is this index.html? What type of request is this? You remember that?
Get request, sir.
Get request, right? So I have shown that in the developer tools, isn't it? However,
Yes,
get request, it will not show explicitly. Your VuGen will not show explicitly. Only post request will be shown as, specified as method is equal to post. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right? And what are these guys? Observe here. So what is the time now? 8:42. I have to close it now. I close it in 2 minutes. So observe here, these are inbuilt functions, LoadRunner inbuilt functions. So, whatever you are seeing in orange color, right? These are inbuilt functions, web submit data, web_URL, right? All these are LoadRunner inbuilt functions. Okay. Now, let me quickly show you. Suppose, this is the script for user registration. Okay. Now, let me save it with some other name. Okay. I'll tell you why. So, we'll keep this recorded script as a backup. And we will use, for our scripting, right? So, see, scripting is not at over, right? Only script recording is over. Okay. Now I am saving this script with some other name as, I'll remove this REC1. So this is my working script. Understood, guys? I'm saving it with some other name and this is my working script. Understood? Understood or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, suppose I want to do one more user registration. I want to create one more user ID. So what I will do is I want to register one more user with name as Shravan2. Okay. Hold on. So let me copy this and Control H. Do Control H. I want to register another user ID with username as Shravan2. Right. So in this script, right, I am replacing that username. Do replace all, and all the occurrences are replaced. Now observe here, Shravan1 and Chotala, it was replaced as Shravan2. Password also I want to give password as password2. Okay, password 2 and do replace all. Now observe here, it is showing how many occurrences are replaced. Yes or no? 2 occurrences are replaced. That means password 2 and password 1 and in line number 49 and 50. All those 2 occurrences are replaced. Understood or no?
the changes could replace it.
Hmm?
Users are already
Yes,
recorded.
sir.
So why the purpose?
ఓకే, ఐ వాంట్ టు సి శ్రవణ్ 1 అని రిజిస్టర్ చేశాను. నా ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంకొక యూజర్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేయాలి, స్క్రిప్ట్ తో చేయాలి నేను, రైట్?
Okay.
సి ఇంత ముందు ఎలా చేసాం, మాన్యువల్ గా చేసాం, బ్రౌజర్ కి వెళ్ళి వి డిడ్ ఇట్ మాన్యువల్లీ. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ దట్ విత్ దిస్ స్క్రిప్ట్ తో యూజర్ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సపోజ్ యూ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ సమ్ 500 యూజర్ ఐడీస్. ఓకే, కెన్ వి డూ దట్ మాన్యువల్లీ? హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్?
But 500 user IDs with different names and different passwords.
Right.
So
Obviously, we had to use different username and different password.
so then already only first name, last name, address only change అయిపోతాయి.
Yes, you can. These also can be changed. First name, last name, and all this can be changed.
So
That's what I did. అదే కదా నేను చేసింది ఇప్పుడు. యూజర్ నేమ్ మార్చాను, ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ ఆల్సో ఐ చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు 72. That's what I did, right?
వాట్ మన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే సార్, యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ డిఫరెంట్ నేమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ప్లస్ అడ్రస్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ అన్ని డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయి కదా, మనం రిప్లేస్ చేసినప్పుడు అన్ని డిఫరెంట్ గా రిప్లేస్ చేయాలా?
It's up to you, నీ ఇష్టం అది. సో ఇద్దరు యూజర్స్ ఒకే అడ్రస్ లో ఉండకూడదా?
ఉండొచ్చు సార్, కాకపోతే సర్టెన్ కేసెస్ కదా.
So I will come to that. Okay, first understand, like what is the advantage with this script. Okay, now control H is the shortcut for replacing.
నార్మల్ గా షార్ట్ కట్ కాకుండా రిప్లేస్ చేయాలంటే కంట్రోల్ H కాకుండా.
ఓకే, షార్ట్ కట్ కాకుండా. ఓకే, 1 second. Replace, no, we don't have any option. You have to use that one only.
Okay sir.
Okay, now let me replay the script now, right? Now I am going to replay the script, guys. Okay, so before replaying, what I did, username, password ivi change chesi I am replaying the script now, right? By using this shortcut. See here, you have a play button, right? Click on that. And go to that folder, Shravan. So go to that folder, WebTools folder lokellu, users folder, CGI bin users on the folder query. Not this one, close this. Yes, now you can see that user is created, right? Wait, no need to open that, please wait. So if you are seeing that username here, means the user is created, right? Shravan to one user created, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right, now how is this user registered? The user registration ela chesam
Through script.
we are done with the script now, isn't it? Right, now we have automated that, right? So we have automated that user registration process with the help of a VuGen script. Clear, guys?
Sir, can we decrease the think time also, sir? Because we had waited for some time before, with your explanation, right? So can we change the think time and we can make it fast?
Yes, yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
But ఇక్కడ think time, when we are replaying the script, right, think time will not be replayed by default. The machine is slow, that's why if this script is taking time to replay. Understood? Think time will not be replayed by default. Meeru script replay chesinappudu think time will not be effective. Okay, why? Because by default think time will be disabled. If you go to runtime settings, I'll explain all those later. Okay, first understand the concept that whatever I am explaining. So we have, see, observe here, think time will be, ignore think time will be there by default when you replay the script. Runtime settings and enti మనం script ని run చేసినప్పుడు settings, what are the applicable settings? That is runtime settings. When you run the script, right, what are the settings applicable? That is runtime settings. And in runtime settings, ignore think time will be there. So observe here, ikkada think time 80 seconds record ayindi when I am explaining the script recording, right?
Yes, sir.
So I waited for 80 seconds here, but when you are replaying the script, it did not wait for 80 seconds.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Got it.
Yeah. Right, now we have done this user registration with the help of the script now, isn't it? Now in the same way, suppose if you want to register one more user, for example, right? So what you can do, so you can change the username to Shravan3, do replace all, 3 occurrences are replaced, right? And let me quickly change the password also. Control C, Control H. Right.
Sir,
Now,
if we
in
create,
that way, wait, I'll come to that. Okay. Do replace all. So in that way, suppose if you want to register 500 user IDs, every time we cannot change it, right? Manually. That is the idea.
same doubts.
Right. Yeah, I know that. What doubt you will be. Right. So, every time we cannot change the script, right? So for this, we want to pass the test data to the script, right? అంటే డిఫరెంట్ యూజర్ నేమ్స్ తో రిజిస్టర్ చేయాలి అంటే ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ వీ నీడ్ టు పాస్ న్యూ టెస్ట్ డేటా టు ద స్క్రిప్ట్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir.
New data to the script, right? So instead of doing this, but if you want to create 500 user IDs or 1000 user IDs, right? We cannot do this manually, right? Again, see, we have automated the user registration. Automation lo malli manual thing, there should not be manual intervention. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So for that, we use a concept called parameterization. And how to do that parameterization is simple, guys. Right click on that, whatever data we want to change every time, right? Right click, replace with a parameter, create new parameter, right? Give some name to this parameter. I'll explain that. I'll repeat this tomorrow also anyways, but let me quickly show you p username, right? Click on properties, right? Click on create table, say okay, and now that username is copied here. Close, click okay, right? You want to, now it is asking, do you want to replace other occurrences of the string with the parameter? Say yes, right? So wherever you have that username, right, it will replace with this parameter. Okay, do replace all, it will replace with that parameter here, right? So we parameterized the username. That means username this kilo parameter file lo betam. That's what we did now. See here. And how to see the parameters? By if you double click on parameters, you'll see that. Now what you do is you can keep all your user IDs here into the file. And if you replay the script, right? Suppose if you keep all the user IDs 7, 4, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. And right? Then you need not modify it in the script every time. Understood? I'll explain
Got it.
this tomorrow. This process is called as parameterization. Passing the data to the script, test data to the script is called as parameterization, which I will explain tomorrow. I'll stop it here for today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please do till here. Everyone, please do manual ga, username changes. Do that user registration till that point. Like practice this script. Is it easy, guys? Did we write any single line of code till now?
No, sir.
Right? Is it easy now? Is the scripting easy?
Yes, sir. Easy. Starting
Okay.
easy. Afterwards, we have to see.
Right, perfect. So every script will not be as simple as this. Okay. So any scripts inta simple ga undavu. Okay. Any scripts inta simple ga unte, they will not give packages 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs packages for 3 years experience. Please remember that. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this any intermediate college student also can do this. He can also do that. Then why does companies pay like 15 lakhs for 3 years experience? Right? They won't pay, right? 1 lakh per month salary, right?
Yes, sir.
So all scripts will not be as easy as this one. Okay.
Complicated scripts kuda cheptara sir?
What is that?
Complicated scripts kuda cheptara?
This is only first script. I will cover at least 10 scripts in the training.
Okay.
This is just take off.
Right. All right, then I'm pausing the